Hello everyone. Today I am sharing the Spellbinders Card Kit of the month for December. And the theme of the box is Hey Foxy. And it came already a little damaged, so I hope everything is in there and not broken in any way. So I cut it already open and I'm opening this up now. Ta-da! All right. Here's something. A card. Let me take this out first. Okay. There we go. So on top this month is like this little card from thanks, a little thank you card for being a club member. And so there is a pen in there. Ooh, and it's a Jane Davenport Ultimate Pen. Oh, it's a waterproof brush pen. Thriller jacket in red. So I guess it's the red ink. Well, let's give it a try, right? Just need some paper. Ooh, it looks interesting. The nib. Oh, it's very soft. Piece of paper. Oh wait, here's just a piece of Bristol paper. Let me just write something. Oh wow, yeah. It's a very soft brush pen. Wow, that's a very nice pen. Ooh, I like it. Nice. Okay, so that was a little extra that I put in there, and let me see how fast this dries. Still need some time to dry. Okay, so that was that, and then this is, and also there is a coupon on the back for 15% off for 2020. That's great. Okay, awesome. All right, let's open this kit now. Ooh. Oh, wow, okay. Everything, it looks like everything is in properly. Nothing is broken. Okay, so here's a card with those three samples. And here on the back it shows you how you put together the die, the fox die that's included. Wow, that's a cute die. Well, let's see here. Here's the die. Let's open the die. Let's take a look at the die. So again, I see here. I need some white paper. What is this? I'm always interested in how many pieces. Whoa. Okay. Here's the body and the face. And I'm just looking here. And then there are some leaf branches, small leaves, a flower. And this is probably the ears and the paws and the cheeks and the eyes. Yeah, so it's like three. The fox is made of three pieces here. And I'm looking for the tail. Okay, here's the tail actually. And this is the tail and this is the front for the body here. Okay, so it's actually 4 pieces for the fox. Yeah. Okay. All right. Then it has this little crown and a little, I think that's the little piece that you can put into this, inlay into this crown. And then we have some words. We have the word happy, you, and for you. So we have the word happy and for you. Okay, I'm very excited about this fox die. I think this is very, very cute. So let's see what the stem set looks like. Move this out of the way. Where's the stem set? Here. Okay. Here's the stem set. Okay, let's take a look. All right, here is another fox. This is not so my thing. I think it looks too, it's just the kind of illustration. It's just not my thing, I guess. I wish they had used a different, instead of a fox, maybe something else, maybe a rabbit or a bear or something else, because if I have already the fox die, I don't think I'm gonna use the fox stamp. So sometimes I don't understand this, because I think that happens with a couple of other sets this year, or kits, where you had the die and then you have also the stamp, the same picture, or not the same picture, but the same motif. Like I think the slot, we had a slot die and then the slot motif. So I don't know. I think just for more variety, if they would use a different motif on the stamp set, that would be awesome. So anyway, we have this fox. We have a bunch of words here. We have some twigs, leaves, some berries here, and the big word, you're pretty. So that's that. All right, let's move this aside here. Now let's see what cardstock is included. There's like probably like, it's not white, it's more like a cream white. We have a gold foil or gold mirror cardstock. We have like a brown craft, pink, pink, blue, something in the blue. Let's see the other side. Yeah. Black, wine red, and a light pink, and then a white. Yeah, it's again 8 regular cardstock and then 1 mirror cardstock. And the cardstock has not the texture. The cardstock is just very, it was smooth. Then again, we have the cards which have the texture in them. It's the cardstock with the texture. So it's the 10 cards with the 10 envelopes. And this, yeah. Okay. Then let's take a look at the pattern papers that came with this kit. Excited. Ooh. Okay. So, flowery with gold foil. This is more like a brownish. Then this looks like almost like an old tapestry with foil too, on little butterflies and a little box on it. Then we have like a very soft scripty in blue, white dots on black, flowers, pink flowers on gray, green dark stripe, little houses, little roses. This is the same style as here, those roses and leaves. Then this looks like a background, almost like a weave material, like a basket or something, basket. Then we have like a little flower, tree, slice, a plaid, stripes, another plaid, little scripty bows pattern, again like a floral pattern on pink, dark green. This is a little fox on gray, then like a almost like a coral background, and here is repeating. And so it's 20 different pattern papers, twice on the block. And now with it came also the alphabet stickers, and there are gold foam, yeah, gold foam, but it's more like a satin. It's not like super shiny, it's more like a satin gold. But I really like the size, so the size is not too big. I think it's a good size for cards. Here is a bee that came from somewhere. I don't know, or two. Oops. Just carefully in another bag later. Okay, then we have, ooh, that's a whole block. A whole block with stickers. Sticker pad. Wow. Okay, I missed one here. Oh, this is very nice. This is actually very, very nice. Lots of sentiments in different sizes, colors. Wow. Bigger ones. And another alphabet that has the little leaves and flowers embellishment, and then circles, seals, almost like seals. Wow, this is a very nice sticker pad. Very excited about this one. This is very nice. Okay, and of course we have these die cut shapes, and I'm gonna do them in a quick overview. Just these are all the die cuts. Very nice set of die cuts. Pretty colors. Really like the colors. Now here's what I meant by with the stamp set. It's like, now we have the fox as a die, we have the fox as a stamp, and then you have the fox again as a die cut. I wish instead of this fox, they would have used maybe this as a stamp, or maybe her as a stamp, or maybe even this butterfly as a stamp. I think that would have been, for me personally, I think that would have worked, or I wish that they would do this in future, instead of making this double, using a different motif maybe on the stamp set from the die cuts set. So but that's just my personal opinion. Okay, so this is anyway a very beautiful kit. I can't wait to start creating with this. So it's still December. It's a December kit, but I guess I will get this done, I guess, by the beginning of January, because I think these are cards that go right into, can be anything, can be birthday, any types of cards you can do with this for any occasion. There's also included, I forgot to mention this, little sequence, gold sequence, and of course the sticker roll tape and the little 3D dots here. So that's it. I will leave you here, and I hope you check when I have all my cards done and see what I created. Okay, until then, bye.